Hey guys, welcome to the course. What I'm going to start with is a quick demonstration of the things you can do and the things that are contained within this program. This is just a taste so you know what you're in for. Okay, so you'll be able to do all sorts of things. You'll be able to send emails, you'll be able to reply to emails, delete them, control them, forward them, do all sorts of things to manage and transmit your information and to do it so simply. You'll be able to arrange your information with just a few clicks. You'll be able to create folders like I have here on the side where you can store all the information that's common, that's not common, that's from a single source, from multiple sources, and all sorts of things to really get control of your data and really stay on top of your game, professionally and personally. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do that. I'll be showing you how to create a calendar like this, where you can set reminders, you can set appointments, you can do meetings, you can even invite other people to your meetings. You can create also a contacts list like I've shown you here. And I'll show you how to insert a new contacts list with all the information like contact numbers, emails, addresses, and so on. So heaps of things. I'll be showing you how to do reminders and all these other things that I can think of, because there's so many things that I could teach you about this program. So enough talk. Let's get straight into it. Okay, I'm going to get straight into the program. I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started. All right, see you guys inside.